beneath the canopy of portrait, where the green meets the blue. I hear the echo of a story that I know to be true. My grandfather stood tall upon a double-hulled frame, no compass in his pocket, just the power of a name. He watched the moon rise slow above the Pompeii tide, with the wisdom of the ages as his only secret guide. Through the spray of the salt and the foam of the deep, he kept the ancient secrets that the navigators keep. He felt the rhythm of the ocean in the soles of his feet, where the trade winds and the currents and the spirit world meet. Oh, follow the silver path across the rolling sea, from the stars in the heavens to the shores of Pompeii. By the sun and the moon and the birds in the flight, we are sailing the horizon through the middle of the night. It is a living thread winding through the blue, the knowledge of the elders passing down to me and you. He could read the subtle shadows that the clouds would always cast, predicting every tremor from the future to the past. He watched the way the swells would break against the wooden hull, reading every ripple like a message from a gull across the back roads of the island in the waves of the great vast. He held the steering paddle while the shadows flickered past, from Micronesia's heart to the Polynesian sun. The journey of the voyager has only just begun. It is a code written in the stars and the movement of the tide, with the ancestors breathing right there by his side. Oh, follow the silver path across the rolling sea, from the stars in the heavens to the shores of Pompeii. By the sun and the moon and the birds in the flight, we are sailing the horizon through the middle of the night. It is a living thread winding through the blue, the knowledge of the elders passing down to me and you. Melanesia awakes as the morning light begins to glow, handed down through generations everywhere the currents flow. No needle made of iron could ever find the way like the spirit of a sailor at the breaking of the day. Guided by the wind, guided by the wave, keeping all the stories that the ancient masters gave on the endless horizon, where the blue meets the sky. We sail upon the water as the stars go drifting by, sailing home to the shore, sailing home once more, with the moon as our map on the deep ocean floor. Across the Pacific, the legacy remains gold, a story of the islands that must always be told.